Myself Falguni Solanki. Welcome to our channel. Today we will continue with our discussion from Snapshot Class 11 Unit 1 The Summer of Beautiful White Horse. In previous parts we have discussed that how our main characters Aram and Morad found the horse and how they enjoyed on it. Later on there was characters like Arak, Zohrab, Uncle Khushro, and in last part here we discussed that the character of farmer who informed Uncle Khushro and his family that he lost his horse. That time Uncle Khushro shouted that use your legs to travel distance in different places. Now let us see what was their further discussion. My left leg pains me, the farmer said. The farmer said that my left leg pains me, that is why I need my horse back. Pay no attention to it, my Uncle Khushro roared. Uncle loudly said that just pay no attention to it, यानी कि ignore your problem or ignore your conversation. That horse cost me $60, the farmer said. The farmer said that I have bought that horse by $60. I spit on money, my Uncle Khushro said. Spit on यानी कि hate, I hate money. He got up and stalked out of the house, slamming the screen door. He just got up, slacked out यानी कि walked out and slamming यानी कि hit the screen door यानी कि entrance door. My mother explained. Whose mother? Our character. In the name of character, Arak. He has a gentle heart, she said. It is simply that he is homesick and such a large man. Now the act of Uncle Khushro was covered by the mother, and mother explained to the farmer that Uncle Khushro, he यानी कि Uncle Khushro, is a gentle heart and gentleman, but the problem is that he is homesick. Homesick यानी कि remember his house यानी कि older time house, his native house. Such a large man यानी कि open hearted man. The farmer went away and ran over to my cousin Morad's house. The farmer went away after this explanation, but I ran over my cousin's Morad's house. Why? Because he was also worried. Now he got to know that horse belonged to that farmer. As we know in the starting of the lesson, when Arak was sleepy, that time Morad came. When Aram was sleepy, that time Morad came to his house. So they have different houses. So Aram ran towards Morad's house to inform him. He was sitting under a peach tree trying to repair the hurt wing of young robin which could not fly. He was talking to the bird. Now when Aram visited Morad, that time he was sitting under a peach tree and trying to repair the hurt wing of young robin which could not fly, and he was talking to the birds also. Robin यानी कि here a bird. Which type of bird? A small red breasted bird. And same time he was also talking to the bird. What is it? He said, यानी कि Morad said. The farmer John Byro, I said. He visited our house. He wants his horse. You have had its month. I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride. Now see, in the beginning of the lesson, the Aram was the one who forced and who questioning Morad about the horse, whereabouts of the horse. But now he had a different statement. When he reached to that Morad's house, Morad asked, what is it? यानी कि why are you behaving like this? So that time Aram said that the farmer John Byro visited our house and he wants to know about whereabouts of his horse, and you had this horse from last 1 month. but just promise me that you will not return that horse until I learn to ride. यानी कि here the Adam also want to ride on horse. That's why he wanted and he tried to convince Murad that please keep horse with you. I will take you a year to learn to ride, my cousin Murad said. We could keep the horse a year, I said. The Murad says, it's okay. I will take you a year to learn to ride. It means approximately there will be a 1 year time you need to ride on horse, to learn to ride on horse. But Aram said that okay, then we could keep the horse for 1 year. My cousin Murad leaped to his feet, leap यानी कि jump. What? He roared. Are you inviting a member of the Garogalian family to steal? The horse must go back to its true owner. The Murad said that, how can you behave like this? Even how can you think like this? You belong to Garogalian family and you are saying that you want to steal that horse for a year. How can it be possible? The horse must be returned to his original owner. Why? In the beginning of the story, Murad didn't know the owner of the horse, but now he knew who is the real owner of it. Definitely, now it's time to return the horse, but now Aram's statement changed because he wanted to learn horse riding. When? I said. In 6 months at least, he said. Aram said, okay, then when will you return? But Murad said, in 6 months. He threw the bird into the air. The bird tried hard, almost fell twice, but at last flew away high and straight. Now finally Murad repaired the wings of that robin bird. So he threw the bird into the air. First of all, bird tried hard to fly and fell twice, but finally he flew away up high and straight. Every morning for 2 weeks, my cousin Murad and I took the horse out of the barn of the deserted vineyard where we were hiding it and rode it. And every morning the horse, when it was my turn to ride alone, leaped over grapevines and small trees and threw me and ran away. Now, after further till 2 weeks, every early morning time, cousin Murad and Aram went for horse riding, but every time whenever there was a turn of Aram, the horse just leaped away through the Aram and leaped over grapevines, small trees, and again they had to find its horse back, and finally they again put that horse on their hideout. Nevertheless, I hoped in time to learn to ride the way my cousin Murad rode. And every time, Aram had hoped that definitely one day I will do horse riding like my cousin Murad. One morning on the way to Fetwagen's deserted vineyard, we ran into the farmer John Byro, who was on his way to town. One tragic point here for them, for Aram and Murad. One morning when they are towards the Fetwagen deserted vine to bring that horse for riding, in between they also met John Byro, who was on his way towards town. Let me do the talking, my cousin Murad said. I have a way with farmers. Murad said, just wait, I will talk that farmer John Byro. I have a way with farmers and I have better understanding how to deal farmers. Good morning, John Byro, my cousin Murad said to the farmer. Murad, greetings, John Byro. The farmers studied the horse eagerly. Studied यानी कि examine. The farmer examined the horse eagerly. Now it's a time that they both are near to their end. Why end? Because their secret will be open soon. Good morning, son of my friends. Son of my friends, यानी कि as we previously para we discussed that John Byro visited Aram's house, so definitely he knew them. What is the name of your horse? My heart, my cousin Morad said in Armenian. In Armenian language, Morad answered that my heart, the name of horse. Now definitely John Byro was the owner of it, so it's easy for him to identify his own horse. That's why he inquired him. A lovely name, John Byro said, for a lovely horse. I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from me many weeks ago. May I look into his mouth? Now John Byro examined that horse first of all, and then he said that this is a lovely name of lovely horse. This horse is exactly looked like mine, which was stolen many weeks ago. Why many weeks ago? From last 6 weeks they had this horse. That's why it's many weeks ago. And then he asked permission for looking into my horse's mouth. Of course, Morad said. The farmer looked into the mouth of the horse. Tooth for tooth, he said, I would swear it is my horse if I didn't know your parents. यानी कि he exactly examined the mouth of his horse, and then John Byro said that I swear it is my horse, but I couldn't claim on you because I knew your parents, that you belong to Garogalian family, and in your family there is a identity and mostly your tribe known for truth and honesty. So I could not claim or I could not distrust on you. The fame of your family for honesty is well known to me, yet the horse is a twin of my horse. Your horse is twin. Twin यानी कि twins, born together. So I am not saying that this one is my horse, but might be possibility that they both are twin. A suspicious man would believe his eye instead of his heart. Good day, my young friends. A suspicious man यानी कि full of mistrust. Man would believe in his eyes than his heart. But here I am using my heart. Why? Because I knew that it belongs to Garogalian family. Good day, my young friends. Good day, John Byro, my cousin Morad said. Early the following morning, we took the horse to John Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn. The dogs followed us around without making a sound. Now, very next morning, the both boys, Morad and Aram, felt guilty for it. They are using the fame of their family for bad thing. So finally, they put or they tied that John Byro's horse back to his vineyard. And that time the dogs were also following them, but without barking. The dogs, I whispered to my cousin Morad, I thought they would bark. That Aram tried to inform and alarm Morad that dog followed us, but Morad had no attention towards it. They would at somebody else, he said. I have a way with dogs. Again Morad said that, don't worry, I have a understanding how to deal with dogs. My cousin Morad put his arms around the horse, pressed his nose into the horse's nose, patted it, and then we went away. Now at last the horse was from last many weeks with Morad, so he had also attachment with it. So first of all he put his arms around the horse, pressed his nose with that horse nose, then patted यानी कि thumped gently, and then they both went away. That afternoon John Byro came to our house in the Shure and showed my mother the horse that had been stolen and written. And finally that afternoon John Byro again visited Aram's house and Shure यानी कि light 4-wheeled horse, and also informed and showed that horse to Aram's mother and informed that this one is my horse which was stolen. I do not know what to think, he said. He यानी कि John Byro. The horse is stronger than ever, better tempered too. I thank God. My uncle Khushro, who was in the parlour, became irritated and shouted, Quiet, man, quiet. So, John Barrow said that I got my horse back, but I am surprised to know that the horse is much more stronger than before and even better tempered. Why better tempered? Because every early morning the horse also rode with that two boys. So, he also become freshen up. जो Uncle Khushro was in the parlour यानी कि sitting room the same time, so he became irritated with the conversation of the farmer and he shouted that quiet. Your horse has been returned, pay no attention to it. Your horse are finally with you, so just quiet, be calm, be steady and enjoy your drink. यानी कि that tea, coffee, whatever the mother of RM offered. Okay students, that is the end of our lesson. I hope you are clear with the concept of our lesson. Thank you.